first up we've got the remote bass knob. It goes on the fuse holder. Just a bass knob. Does rotate. It's very smooth, and the blue LED. And that's how I did it. I had to take it all apart, grind it down, put it back together, and then there's the cord, and it just plugs in, and it will include this as well as the cable. I'll include both of those. All right, next up is the subwoofer. This is a 10-inch Cadence subwoofer. The model number is in the thread for the building of this box. I don't remember right off the top of my head, but I'll include that later. I do have a quick disconnect fitting, so if you do need to take it out, it's easy to disconnect. And it will include this 12-gauge wire that is included. That's just the quick disconnect fitting right there. So it goes together, just like that. Anyway, it goes together. Hard to do one-handed. But anyway, this is the box. It is homemade. It's not perfect looking. The box is 3 years old, but it is still in really good shape. You see, this is a good indication of how good the box is sealed. When I push down on this, if it comes back up slowly, then it's sealed really good. So it's pretty good. Pretty good. Anyway, had to make some relief cuts on both sides there. Otherwise, the seat would not lock into place forward and back. That's how tight of a fit this is. It is a very, very tight fit. But that is it. So, subwoofer shipped to the continental US, $200 with the cable, and the remote bass knob, $50 shipped to anywhere in the continental US with the remote cable. Let me know. God bless y'all. Have a good day. Bye.